Terra Classic have actually dropped 131% in price in the past 2 months and 2 weeks. And this will continue because we believe that in the next 6 months, Terra Classic might end up dropping over 400%, which means in the past 1 year and 2 months after the crash, which Terra Classic have already hit about 400%, but now Luna is about to drop, and the dropping have already continued since the past 2 months, and I believe that even the next 3 months Terra Classic, there's a possibility for more drops to come, and I'm expecting Terra Classic to bounce back if only they can focus on huge, like I said, huge burning of Terra Classic and huge market trading volume. This is the only 2 things that can save Terra Classic from hitting below 300 to 400% dropping since the past 3 months. That means in 6 months, there's a possibility that Terra Classic might end up losing about 400% in price. So it means if you have money on Terra Classic, you might end up losing more. Just like me, myself, I know how much I invested on Terra Classic and I know how much I have right now. I didn't withdraw, I didn't do anything. In fact, I was even staking my Terra Classic coin to earn more bonuses and coins, okay? But the amount that I saw wasn't good. And imagine that another 150 to 200% drop in the next 2-3 months, I might end up having just nothing on Terra Classic. This is where it is now. This is where Terra Classic is now. This is the point where Terra Classic is really heading to. Except they have huge burning of Terra Classic, which have to run in hundreds of billions. Terra Classic need to burn billions of Luna supply, and also they need to hit over 500 million trading volume. The trading volume right now is just 13 million. So I believe with what I'm saying, you can see that it will be difficult for Terra Classic trading volume. I'm not talking about the market cap, because if the trading volume is about $500 million, then the market cap might be about $2 to $3 billion market cap. But the market cap at the time of recording this is still trading at about $364 million. So, since we all know it's not going to happen in the next 3 months, definitely we are expecting Terra Classic to drop over 100% to 200% within the next 3 months to come. Yes, I see Luna dropping more, dropping up to 300% in the next 3 months is even much possible than before, because nothing is really helping Terra Classic as of the time of recording this. So if you are still planning to buy Terra Classic, definitely you have to wait. Maybe you might decide to buy when the coin must have further dropped more in order for you to buy cheaper. Then expect to make good profit if Terra Classic rises back, okay? And but if Terra Classic fails to rise, definitely it's something else. But I still have hope that what's affecting Terra Classic is just temporary. Yeah, so what is going on right now is temporary issues, okay? Which means it might continue even in the next 6 months, but there will be a time when everything will seem okay. There will be a time when everything will be okay, and what will be seeing Terra Classic rising up like just a new launch coin. Just like when the coins launched new, you see these coins rising and pumping so fast. I believe that there will be a time Terra Classic itself will be rising and pumping. So those who must have buy and invested on it then can still make some profit. Even though Terra Classic fails to reach to the point where it is right now, but I still believe that something can still happen there might be a change, there might be a revival. But the chances of getting this done is just 5% over 100. So just be careful with your Terra Classic investment and trading. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.